Hello everybody, I just got another controller here, and the issue here, I'm not quite sure, but I think I found something already. So let me so this is the power supplier, okay? I have to see what's going on here. There is one transformer here, another capacitor here. Looks like we have either, it looks like a triac. Oh, I think it's burned out. And I see there's a problem with the capacitor right there. So we might need this power supplier. Okay, I got this little toy. Let's see how it works. There's a section here. Let's see. I'm just testing this new multimeter, but it looks like there's a bunch of things. So let's say it's when it's on auto mode, it pretty much, see, so it's built like it's testing the continuity automatically. So it's quite nice, but I think I found one problem already. Like you can see this diode right there. Let me move it right there. Let me reach. I don't like those small probes. I'm gonna have to change them for longer ones. So you see, and so we have on one side continuity, and then on the other side continuity, which is not good. So this is a bad diode right there. So we have one bad diode. Let's see if we can find more stuff. Okay, so far so good. Okay, that's good. Let's flip the leads. Okay. Seems to be like those diodes are okay. Let's see this fuse. Okay, we have a burnt fuse here. Or no. It takes a moment, I guess, for this unit to calculate. Let's see this guy. I'm still learning how to use this multimeter because it's a little different though. Well, this capacitor is definitely bad. I can see the legs are burned out. Like, how do you change the settings here? Let's see. It's not touchscreen. I thought it's touchscreen. Okay, so this is diodes, ohms, continuity. Not sure with that. Not sure. Temperature, hertz, DC, AC, AC, auto switch. Okay. What about capacitors? Is it good? It's measuring capacitors or no? Okay, let's put it for auto. I have to learn this thing still. Auto switch. I like that it's a big screen though, but see, for example here I do have this symbol for testing diodes. Let's see, maybe there's a symbol like this here too. No, no, no. It's gonna measure here. Let's see. Just gonna test. I guess it's measuring on the diode. 1337. Okay. How about this one? 470 microfarad. Okay, if I do auto, yeah, I have to learn this thing. I have like owner's manual here, but didn't have time to test it. So it's measuring me ohms. Strange. Like I have to learn this. $1750 ohms. So this capacitor is definitely not good. I can tell. One leg is burned out. Just give it a second, it's loading. Yeah, like one leg is completely out. Yeah, so I need one capacitor. Let's see this capacitor, how the reading looks like. I found the problem here. So there's a couple of issues here. First of all, this triac is burned. Then we have one leg on the capacitor burnt, and then we have, looks like this diode is no good. So it's what it is, it's a power supply, this one. So the issue is here. This board is good. It doesn't look like, I don't see any problems on this one, but this one, yeah, definitely have a problem. So I'm gonna resource those parts and see if I can get those ones. Also, let me see, just gonna check the I like this little guy, but I don't know if it measures capacitors. That's because it measures ohms for some reason. See, 1175. Okay, and this guy is 470. So it's measuring ohms. I don't think there is an option here for capacitors. Yeah, this track is gone. Yeah, so I'm going to see what can be done on this one. All what this controller does, basically, it takes let's say 120 volts and it converts it to 12 or 24, whatever smaller voltage right there. So I'm going to like I have something similar to this one but a little bit different. I'm going to look it up. Maybe I can just get this board and just swap it. Otherwise I'm gonna have to replace few components here. So the capacitor, the triac, this diode, and this diode is okay, I think. This capacitor is okay. Those diodes are so it's more on this side by the heatsink, and those diodes are good. I'm not sure about this guy. Let's test this coil. Where's this coil? We have this coil. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so coils are good. The only thing is this guy. Yeah. Let me see if it's going to find the readings on this big capacitor. Yeah, this capacitor is dead. Yeah, so we need, I would say, 3 components here. Capacitor. This is my video for today. I'm going to research those parts. So the issue with this Sauna board is this capacitor, this triac, and this diode right there. If you guys have any questions, you can comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and take care. Bye bye.